Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning. We are from Group 8 and today Nusha Azwina and Noor Ain will be presenting on the nitric oxide as a second messenger. Nitric oxide is a type of ligand in the form of gaseous molecule. It acts as a second messenger because it can diffuse through the plasma membrane. NO synthase is an enzyme that synthesizes the arginine and oxygen to produce the nitric oxide. The nitric oxide will activate the guanylyl cyclase and producing the cGMP. The cyclic GMP will further activate the protein kinase G and causing the muscle relaxation. So next, Ain will be explaining on the mechanism of how the nitric oxide relaxes the muscle in form of illustration.
Mechanisms of nitric oxide as a second messenger. In endothelial cell, after the activation of G protein-coupled receptor, phospholipase C, and also inositol triphosphate 3, calcium ion will be released from endoplasmic reticulum. This calcium ion will activate calmodulin, and calmodulin will further activate nitric oxide synthase. These enzymes will help to produce nitric oxide from arginine. Nitric oxide will diffuse out of the blood vessel cells, which is endothelial cells, and gets into nearby smooth muscle cell. Nitric oxide receptor in muscle cell, which is guanylyl cyclase, similar to hemoglobin and also myoglobin with heme group inside it. It will bind to nitric oxide and converts GTP into cGMP, which is another second messenger. And then cGMP will bind to protein kinase G, which will prevent cross-bridge formation. Therefore, smooth muscle cell will relax. This is due to the activation of myosin phosphatase, which in turn leads to the release of calcium from intracellular stores in smooth muscle cells. This in turn leads to relaxation of the smooth muscle cells.